another unboxing with Herbalife. So full confession, I picked it up last week and have already dug into some of the things, but I'm still gonna show you some of the insights, some of the behind the scenes. So we've got actually 4 things that I'm showing you this time. And let me set this down. So one thing that I already definitely dug into is our Achieve protein bars, and these are specifically the dark chocolate brownie with 20 grams of protein. Freaking amazing, you guys. Legit the best bars I've ever tasted. And if you end up getting these, so this is how it looks in your package, and if you, or when you end up getting these, the best tip I could give you, and shout out to Annie Buffins because I learned this from her, is put these in the microwave without the wrapper. Let's not set the microwave on fire for a minute. Depending on your microwave, it might be 30 seconds, mine's a minute. You guys, it melts, it's warm, it legit tastes like a brownie, okay? So that's my pro tip for the bars. I've already eaten 3 of these. And the other thing that I absolutely love, and the flavor is green apple, and it also tastes incredible. It's your branch chain amino acids. So my athletes, which everyone's an athlete, there's an athlete inside of everyone, in front of everyone. Actually, yeah, in front of everyone, because if a human's in front of you. So a couple things just in general. You want, like, if you have more lean muscle mass, shout out results, then if you have more lean muscle mass, it's easier for you to basically your metabolism is more effective. It's easier for you to burn weight or burn weight. It's easier for you to retain muscle mass, recover faster with branch chain amino acids. And basically it's super simple. You mix 1 scoop in about 14 ounces of water. And specifically for those of you that are in more science, then you've got 5 grams of branch chain amino acids, 3 grams of leucine, formulated to spark lean muscle growth. So not only will this help you support lean muscle growth, it'll also help you reduce muscle breakdown. So basically, like, and muscle recovery. So a lot of times, obviously, when you work out, you feel super sore. So BCAAs plus our product Restore is amazing for that. Also helps you fuel your workout, so you'll notice a shift in your energy as well. Also, in case for my athletes that maybe compete like I do, or do endurance events, or basically are on different teams, we also sponsor over 300 athletes. Cristiano Ronaldo also helped formulate a product with us, CR7. Our products are NSF tested, which basically means they're safe for even athletes at Cristiano Ronaldo, the #1 soccer player in the world level. A couple other things. You can also consume this at any time of the day to help preserve lean muscle mass by promoting protein synthesis. So basically meaning that, again, it'll help you reduce muscle breakdown. And I mentioned that it's a green apple flavor. I mixed this with CR7, I mixed this with my beverage mix. Speaking of which, beverage mix. This is one of my favorite products with Herbalife from the very beginning. So beverage mix, I haven't opened it yet, this new one, but this flavor is basically wild berry. There's also a mango, and you mix it with 8 ounces of water. It's 15 grams of protein. Literally tastes like adult Kool-Aid without the sugar. It's amazing. So we've got that this time, and then one of my other favorites, tea. And this time I got the chai tea. So that'll also help you with energy. It's also, we call it cardio in a cup, because it'll also, basically we like to say that it equates the same that you would spend on, say, 15 minutes to 30 minutes of cardio. This thermogenic tea will also help you jumpstart your metabolism. This one specifically includes orange pico and green tea, and it's made with non-GM products. And I like to drink it both cold and or hot. This one specifically has 5 calories. If you actually use a half a teaspoon, which I tend to use more, in case you can't tell by my energy, then it has about 60 servings. So feel free to jumpstart with a free meal plan, a wellness profile, and or jump in our challenge. So thanks so much, you guys.